Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8 maths on my YouTube channel. Now we will begin practice at 10.1 on textbook page number 64. Divide. Write the quotient and a reminder. First one, 21m square divided by 7m. Before you begin dividing, you have to do the work column. First you have to arrange it vertically when you do work column to get the quotient. 21m square upon 7m. This way you have to arrange it vertically. Now next step you have to write multiplication form. That is equal to 21 into m upon 7 into m. Table which is going, you have to do cancellation now. Number 21 is going 7 table. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. 1 m get cancelled on numerator and denominator. Like this way. Now number which is left you have to multiply on numerator. Denominator nothing is left to multiply. That is equal to 3 into m is 3m. Now you have to divide 21m square by 7m. You already got the quotient here. So quotient you have to write this only number which you got. 21m square divided by 7m. 7m, 3m's are 21m square plus 7m plus 3m. When you multiply 7 into 3m, plus into plus is plus. Okay. Now next step you have to take opposite sign, minus. The plus sign is there. Like this. Okay. Now you have to subtract. 21m square minus 21m square is getting how much? 0. You are getting remainder 0 on division of polynomials. You have to do cancellation like this way, and then you have to write remainder 0, and then quotient and remainder you have to write finally. Quotient is equal to 3m, remainder is equal to 0, like this way. Next, 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Second sum we will do directly because it is same like first one. First you have to arrange it vertically when you do work column to get the quotient. Like this way. 40a cube upon minus 10a. Next step you have to write multiplication form. That is equal to 40 into a upon minus 10 into a. Table which is going, now you have to do the cancellation. Number 40 is going 10 table. Denominator 10 already is there. You can do cancellation directly. Minus 10 ones are minus 10 minus 4s are. Okay. 1a get cancelled on numerator and denominator. Like this way. Now you have to multiply only the numerator. Denominator nothing is left to multiply. Minus 4 into a is minus 4a square. Now you have to divide 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Okay. Quotient you already got here. Quotient how much you got, that only outright when you are dividing. 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Minus 10a into minus 4a square. Minus 10a into minus 4a square is plus 40a cube, because minus into minus is plus. Okay. Now next step you have to take opposite sign. The plus sign is there. Plus become minus. Okay. 40 minus 40, answer is getting 0. Okay. If you are getting remainder 0 on division of polynomials, you have to do the cancellation before you write remainder 0. Like this way. Okay. And then write remainder 0 now. Quotient is equal to minus 4a square, remainder is equal to 0. Next, minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. First, you have to arrange it vertically of the division of polynomials. minus 48 p raised to 4 upon minus 9 p square. Next step you have to write multiplication form, that is equal to minus 48 into p into p into p into p upon minus 9 into p. Table which is going, you have to do cancellation. Minus 48 and minus 9 is going 3 table. 3 16s are 48, 3 3s are 9. Minus sign, nothing you have to cancel now, write as it is. First to cancel only the number and then the minus. Now start cancelling minus. Minus into minus is plus. So cancel this minus also, okay? Cancellation has already done minus sign. Now you have to do cancellation both the p on numerator and denominator, because denominator 2p is there. Cancel both the p on numerator and denominator like this way. Now what is left? Multiply first on numerator and then on denominator. 16 into p is 16p square upon 3. Denominator only number 3 is left, that is equal to 16p square upon 3. Answer which you got here, this will be the quotient when you divide the polynomials minus 48 p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. Now divide the number minus 48 p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. This is the quotient, okay, the answer which you got. When you are dividing, you have to write this quotient. Minus 9p square into 16 upon 3 p square is minus 48 p raised to 4. Minus into plus is minus. Okay. Now next step you have to put opposite sign plus if minus is there. Like this way. Okay. Plus into minus is minus. So you have to subtract 48 p raised to 4 minus 48 p raised to 4. How much is getting answer? 0. If remainder is getting 0, you have to do cancellation. And then finally you have to write remainder 0. Okay. And then quotient and remainder final answer, write it. Quotient is equal to 16 upon 3 p square. Remainder is equal to 0. Okay, got it. Next, 40 m raised to 5 divided by 30 m cube. 40 m raised to 5 upon 30 m cube is equal to 40 into m into m into m into m into m upon 30 into m into m into m. Index how much is given, that much times you have to write multiplication form. Here index is given m raised to 5. So 5 times of m you have to write multiplication form. Now next step, do cancellation. 0 0 get cancelled. So what will remain? 4 upon 3. Now you have to cancel m. m get cancelled on numerator and denominator. Okay. Then on numerator what is left? M square is left. Number what is left? 4. Okay. First multiply on numerator and then on denominator. 4 into m into m. How much? 4m square. And denominator only 3 is left, because you have cancelled only 0, not number. That is equal to 4m square upon 3. Now start dividing the number. This will be the quotient when you divide the polynomials 40 m raised to 5 divided by 30 m cube. 40 m raised to 5 divided by 30 m cube. Answer what you got, this will be the quotient. Okay. 30m cube into 4m square upon 3. Okay, when you multiply 30m cube into 4 upon 3m square, you get the answer plus 40m raised to 5. Plus sign will become minus. Okay, if minus is there, subtract it now. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, 40m raised to 5 minus 40m raised to 5, answer is getting 0. Remainder is getting 0. Before you write remainder 0, you have to cancel 40m raised to 5 minus 40m raised to 5, cancel it, and then write remainder 0. Okay, then finally write quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to 4m square upon 3, remainder is 0. Like this we have to write answer. Next, 5x cube minus 3x square divided by x square. In bracket, two terms are there. First you have to take single term when you divide by x square. First term is 5x cube. So 5x cube upon x square, you have to take it first. Okay, when you divide, write multiplication form now. 5 into x into x into x upon x into x. X square means x into x. Now do the cancellation of x. 2x get cancelled on numerator and denominator. Now only numerator is left to multiply. 5 into x is 5x. Okay. The single term what you got here, quotient 5x. When you divide 5x cube minus 3x square by x square, first term when you divide 5x cube upon x square, you get the quotient 5x. This you have to write in quotient place. X square into 5x is plus 5x cube, because plus into plus is plus. If you multiply 5x into x square, answer getting 5x cube. If plus sign is there, next step you have to take opposite sign minus, like this way, and then you have to cancel, because 5x cube minus 5x cube, answer is getting 0. Like this way. Minus 3x square, you have to bring it down. Now you have to divide minus 3x square upon x square. Second term is bracket is minus 3x square. Okay. Minus 3x square upon x square is equal to minus 3 into x upon x into x. You have to cancel both the x on numerator and denominator. So what is left? Minus 3. Okay. When you divide minus 3x square upon x square, you get the quotient minus 3. Okay. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Now take the opposite sign. Minus become plus. Plus into minus is minus. Subtract it now. 3x square minus 3x square, how much is coming? 0. Before that you have to cancel and then write remainder 0. Answer which you got here, this is quotient. Okay. Quotient is 5x minus 3. Remainder is equal to 0. Next, 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Sixth sum is same like fifth one, how I taught you. 8p cube minus 4p square divided by 2p square. In bracket, two terms are there. First you have to take single term, then you have to divide by 2p square. Bracket in first term is 8p cube. Okay, first take it 8p cube divided by 2p square. 8p cube upon 2p square is equal to 8 into p into p into p upon 2 into p into p. Table which is going out to do cancellation. Number 8 is going to table. Number 2 is already there on denominator. So start doing cancellation. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Then you have to cancel both the p on numerator and denominator. Like this way. Now only numerator is left to multiply. Denominator is nothing is left to multiply. 4 into p is 4p. Okay. When you divide 8p cube by 2p square, that is single term, when you divide it by 2p square, you got the quotient 4p. Okay. You have to write here now quotient. 8p cube divided by 2p square, you get the quotient 4p. Okay. 2p square into 4p is plus 8p cube, because plus into plus is plus. Okay. Now you have to put opposite sign minus when you are subtracting on division of polynomials. If minus sign is there, you have to put opposite sign plus when you are adding and subtracting on division of polynomials. Like this way. 8p cube minus 8p cube, you are getting the answer 0. On division of polynomials, you have to cancel it when you get the answer 0 after subtracting. Like this way. Now minus 4p square, you have to bring it down. In bracket, second term is minus 4p square. Now you have to divide minus 4p square by 2p square. Okay. In first term, in bracket, 8p cube divided by 2p square, you already divided. You got the quotient 4p. Now in bracket, second term you have to divide by 2p square, that is minus 4p square divided by 2p square. Minus 4p square upon 2p square is equal to minus 4 into p upon 2 into p into p. Table which is going, you have to do cancellation now. This all you are showing working column when you are dividing the polynomials. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. You don't have to cancel minus sign because there is no other minus sign. Only single minus sign is there. That is on numerator. You have to cancel both the p on numerator and denominator. Like this way. Denominator nothing is left to multiply. Numerator only minus 2 is left. That is equal to minus 2. Okay. When you divide second term, that is minus 4p square divided by 2p square, you get the quotient minus 2. Okay. Now in this place you have to write 2p square into minus 2. 2p square into minus 2, what answer you are getting? Minus 4p square. Okay. Now you have to take opposite sign plus because minus sign is there here. Always remember, second number which is there vertically, which sign is there, that you have to take opposite sign. Plus into minus is minus. 4p square minus 4p square, you are getting the answer 0. First you cancel it and then write 0. Remainder is 0. Now you have to write quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to 4p minus 2. Remainder is equal to 0. Next, 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by 2y square. Now there are 3 terms in bracket. You have to take the single term when you divide by 2y square. You have to take first 2y cube upon 2y square. Two y cube upon 2y square is equal to 2 into y into y upon 2 into y into y. Now start doing the cancellation. 2 get cancelled. You have to cancel both the y on numerator and denominator. What is left now on numerator? Y. That is equal to y. When you divide 2y cube by 2y square, you get the quotient y. So you have to write in this place now. 2y square into y, you get the answer plus 2y cube. When you multiply this, answer what you will get? Plus 2y cube. You have to put opposite sign minus now. The plus sign is there. 2y cube minus 2y cube, his answer is 0. Cancel it and then write the answer 0. Plus 4y square, you have to bring it down now. Second term in bracket is plus 4y square. Now you have to divide plus 4y square by 2y square. Okay? Because this you already brought down, plus 4y square. 4y square upon 2y square is equal to 4 into y upon 2 into y into y. Now start cancelling. Number 2 is already there on denominator. Number 4 is going to table. So you have to cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Cancel both the y on numerator and denominator. So what is left on numerator? Only 2. Denominator nothing is left to multiply. That is equal to 2. Okay. 2y square into 2. His answer is getting plus 4y square. Okay, when you multiply this 2y square into 2, you get the answer plus 4y square. Because when you divide 4y square by 2y square, you got the quotient 2. Plus sign will become minus sign. 4y square minus 4y square, answer is what? 0. Cancel it both 4y square and then write 0. Plus 3 you have to bring it down now. Third term. Plus 3 already brought it down. Third term is number without variable, that is plus 3. You can't divide number without variable by number with variable. Number with variable 2 is y square and plus 3 is number is having without variable. So you can't divide it. Remember this point. So this is the remainder. You have to write this quotient and remainder final answer. Quotient is y plus 2, remainder is equal to 0 plus 3. Next, 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube. First, take the single term when you are dividing by 7x cube. It is same like 7th one sum which I taught you. 21x raised to 4 upon 7x cube. Write multiplication form now. That is equal to 21 into x into x into x into x upon 7 into x into x into x. Now start cancelling. Number 21 is going 7 table. Number 7 is already there on denominator. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Cancel all 3x on numerator and denominator. Now you have to multiply numerator what is left. 3 into x is 3x. Denominator is nothing is left to multiply. When you divide the number 21x raised to 4 by 7x cube, you are getting the quotient 3x. Quotient which you got here, write this place now. 7x cube into 3x, you are getting the answer plus 21x raised to 4. Now you have to take the opposite sign minus. 21x raised to 4 minus 21x raised to 4, answer is 0. Before that you have to cancel. When you write the answer 0. Minus 14x square plus 7x, both the term you have to bring it down. I'll tell you why. Minus 14x square plus 7x, both number is not divisible by 7x cube. Why the polynomial minus 14x square is not divisible by 7x cube? Because minus 14x square upon 7x cube, on denominator 7x cube, 3 is the greatest index or greatest degree of polynomial, and on numerator minus 14x square, 2 is the smallest index or smallest degree of polynomial. You can't divide the smallest degree of polynomial by greatest degree of polynomial. This is the reason. Even plus 7x also. When you take 7x upon 7x cube, same reason it is. On denominator 7x cube, 3 is the greatest index or greatest degree of polynomial, and on numerator 7x, you don't have any index. Okay, if you don't have any index, you have to consider it as index 1. 1 is the smallest index or smallest degree of polynomial. You can't divide smallest degree of polynomial by greatest degree of polynomial. Okay, so quotient is only 3x. Remainder is minus 14x square plus 7x. Write the answer now. Quotient is equal to 3x. Remainder is equal to minus 14x square plus 7x. You have to write here x. If the x is not written, I wrote a x. Next, 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Totally there are 4 terms in bracket. First you have to take the single term when you divide by 2x square. First term is 6x raised to 5. 6x raised to 5 upon 2x square is equal to 6 into x into x into x into x into x upon 2 into x into x. Table which is going, you have to do the cancellation now. Number 6 is going 2 table. Number 2 is already there on denominator. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Now you have to cancel both the x on numerator denominator, because on denominator only there are 2x. Now only numerator is left to multiply. Denominator nothing is left to multiply. 3 into x into x into x, how much? 3x cube. Okay. Now this you already got the quotient. When you divide by 6x raised to 5 by 2x square. If you got the quotient, you have to write it here. Okay. 2x square into 3x cube is plus 6x raised to 5. Now you have to take the opposite sign minus. The plus sign is there. 6x raised to 5 minus 6x raised to 5, answer is getting 0. But before that you have to do cancellation and then write the answer 0. Like this way. Now you have to bring down second term, that is minus 4x raised to 4. Now you have to divide minus 4x raised to 4 by 2x square. After dividing first term, you have to take second term, and after you finish dividing second term, then you have to take third term. This way you have to go. minus 4x raised to 4 upon 2x square. Write multiplication form. That is equal to minus 4 into x into x into x into x upon 2 into x into x. Now do the cancellation table which is going. Number 4 is going to table. Number 2 is already there on denominator. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. You don't have to cancel minus sign. Minus sign on numerator, write as it is. Now cancel both the x on numerator and denominator. Like this way. Now multiply only the numerator. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x square. After dividing minus 4x raised to 4 by 2x square, you are getting the quotient minus 2x square. So write it here. That is 2x square into minus 2x square. Answer is minus 4x raised to 4. Now you have to take opposite sign plus if minus sign is there. Okay. Plus into minus is minus. 4x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4. You are getting the answer 0. Before that cancel it. And then write 0. Now third term you have to bring it down. That is plus 8x cube. Now you have to divide 8x cube by 2x square. 8x cube upon 2x square is equal to 8 into x into x into x upon 2 into x into x. Number 8 is going to table, so cancel it. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Cancel both the x on numerator and denominator. So what will remain on numerator? 4 into x is 4x. Okay. When you divide third term, that is plus 8x cube by 2x square, you are getting the quotient 4x. Quotient you have to write it here. If you are dividing third term by 2x square. 2x square into plus 4x is plus 8x cube. Plus become minus sign. 8x cube minus 8x cube. Answer is getting 0. Cancel it. And then write 0. Fourth term, now you have to bring it down. That is plus 2x square. Now you have to divide 2x square by 2x square. 2x square upon 2x square. Any number when you are dividing by same number, you will get the answer 1. Write multiplication form now. Next step is equal to 2 into x upon 2 into x into x. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Cancel both the x on numerator and denominator. So the answer is 1. After dividing fourth term by 2x square, you are getting the quotient 1. So quotient you have to write this place. 2x square, ones are plus 2x square. Okay. Now plus sign will become minus sign. 2x square minus 2x square. Answer is getting 0. Now quotient what you got, you have to write this all. 4 term. Quotient is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Remainder is equal to 0. Next, 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. 10th sum is same like 9th one how I taught. Totally there are 4 terms in bracket. First take the single term when you are dividing by 5m cube. First term is 25m raised to 4. You have to divide 25m raised to 4 by 5m cube. 25m raised to 4 upon 5m cube is equal to 25 into m into m into m into m upon 5 into m into m into m. Table which is going, you have to do cancellation now. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Now you have to cancel all 3m on numerator and denominator, because denominator totally there are 3m. Like this way. Now numerator is left to multiply. 5 into m is 5m. When you divide 25m raised to 4 by 5m cube, you are getting the quotient 5m. When you get the quotient 5m, write it here. 5m cube into 5m is plus 25m raised to 4. Now you have to take opposite sign minus. Okay, 25m raised to 4 minus 25m raised to 4, answer is getting 0. Now second term you have to bring it down, that is minus 15m cube. Now you have to divide minus 15m cube by 5m cube. Okay, minus 15m cube upon 5m cube is equal to minus 15 into m into m into m upon 5 into m into m into m. Table which is going to do the cancellation now. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. Numerator minus sign is there, that nothing to cancel. Now cancel all the m on numerator and denominator. Like this way. So numerator what is left? Minus 3. After dividing second term by 5m cube, you are getting the quotient minus 3. After getting the quotient minus 3, write it here. 5m cube into minus 3 is minus 15m cube. Minus sign is there, you have to take opposite sign plus. 15m cube minus 15m cube is 0. Plus into minus is minus. Now third term and fourth term you have to bring it together, because it is not divisible by 5m cube. Because smallest degree of polynomials can't be divided by greatest degree of polynomials. So the remainder is plus 10m plus 8. Quotient is equal to 5m minus 3. Remainder is equal to 0. If you understood maths practice at 10.1, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.